Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this alternate J and P and B. Let's say you've taken a lot of time to nest some stars or something, but you forgot to put a cut line around them, and you actually want the cut line, even if you put an outline around it in red, they're going to cut right on the wood. And let's say you want it not on the wood, you want the boundary a little bit bigger. So if you'll select all these items, you could use the boundary tool, but we're going to go and use our new friend alternate JPB. It'll put a boundary around it, and then I'm going to nudge it down with my nudge tool. Now this is what's pretty cool. If we select all those, go to effects and contour, we're going to contour to the outside just like 0.02 in red, so we'll be able to see it. 0.02, sometimes that'll do that. I put a boundary around it. Well, actually, it put it on the inside because I backed up. Let's back up, put it to the outside, 0.02. Now we have a boundary around those stars. Let's select everything and go back to Object, Break Contour Apart, and then just grab the new, well, that's the old line. Let's nudge that out of the way. And now let's nudge our contour line up one. And now we have a boundary and a cut line around these stars. Of course, you'd probably want to do that before you nested it to make sure they all fit. But if your nesting is big enough, you can do that. Now, like I said, I was just showing off that idea. Let's back up here a little bit. You could still, because they're separate items, you could still just use your boundary tool up here, do that, object, break contour apart, and then it'll normally stick together, so the ones that are the right size are stuck together. The contour to the outside is still together. I think they're still together until you pick them individually. No, they're still locked as a contour until you break them another apart, until you ungroup them. But that way you can cut it, if you've done a lot of work and you go, oh, I forgot to put an outline, or you didn't like that the outline is right on top of the other one, you can add with a contour. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.